Small acres farm, we got veggies for you.
Hello friend, today I'm going to show you how to make one of my very favorite summer dishes, slaw. Using beautiful produce from Small Acres Farm, we are going to turn up the beat and get chefy with it. Chefy with it. Early season high curry turnips are a delight when eaten raw. Sweet and crunchy, these beauties have just a hint of mustardy heat and are far less spicy than radishes. For the slaw, I'm cutting these gems into little matchsticks like so. Turnip greens are nutrient dense and may be utilized in many other recipes. To enhance crispness, we will soak these slices in ice water for 15 to 20 minutes. I'm also adding my green onions to the bath to mellow their flavor. Turning our attention back to our slaw, here I have sliced up some fresh cabbage into little ribbons. I'm gonna lightly salt it, giving it a little toss and letting it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. This step is optional, but it will help prevent a soggy coleslaw. When cooking a farm-to-table slaw, you can make all manner of flavor combinations. Working from your Small Acre CSA box for inspiration, you can add shredded carrots, radishes, or kohlrabi. Fresh herbs can add a lovely punch of flavor to complement any meal. Dressing. All salad dressings have three pillars: fat, acid, and aromatics. Leaning towards tangy, I will show you a simple honey mustard, perfect for a barbecue, and a cilantro lime slaw for your next taco night. Slaw is best served within 2 hours of it being dressed. If you need the salad to hold, reserve the dressing until 20 minutes prior to serving. This one, we're going to assemble in the bowl, tossing in the additional veggies and fresh cilantro, fresh lime juice, about a 1/4 cup, a healthy glug of olive oil, little pepper, cumin, and coriander. If you want to make it creamy, a small dollop of yogurt can be added. Simple and delicious. For the honey mustard slaw, we are going to whisk together 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, the juice of half a lemon, 1 tablespoon stone ground mustard, and a 1/2 tablespoon of honey and pepper. Pour it over and give it a little toss. Beautiful. Thank you for watching and for being a part of our community. It brings us great joy to see all of the wonderful things you are making with seasonal produce. You can make our day by sharing a picture of your food with us on Instagram under the hashtag #TastyAcres.
Small acres farm, we got veggies for you.